Do you know why? Because slaves were not taken from any particular castle to Jamaica. No. Jamaica was founded as a result of individuals. So our people are in charge. And if you go through this door, during the time of slave trade, if I get closer, the place is noisy. You go through this door during that time, one, you will lose your identity as an African. You will lose your culture, respect, dignity, everything. And from here, most of the captives were taken to North America. Some ended up in Liverpool, England. Some to Bristol, Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago. But those taken to Brazil, Brazilians passed through Elmina Castle, through the hands of the Portuguese. Some Brazilians were taken from Angola, East Africa. If you talk about Suriname, Haiti, Dutch Guyana, Curacao, most of those islands, those taken a pass through Elmina Castle, through the hands of the Dutch. And history has said that Brazil received the largest number of slaves. Brazil got 47% of the entire slaves from Africa. And Brazil is the second largest black population in the whole world, second to Nigeria. Now, I did not mention Jamaica. Do you know why? Because slaves were not taken from any particular castle to Jamaica. No. Jamaica was founded as a result of individual enslaved Africans who rebelled against Europeans, plantation owners on the farms, on the British colonies. So if you are in maybe Barbados, you are in wherever, and you are fighting, you'll be taken from there to Jamaica. So they were not taken from this particular party. They were selected from different races to Jamaica.
Makes the people in different.
Hold on, again, let me say that. So Jamaicans were not taken direct, slaves to Jamaica were not taken directly from any particular castle.
But they were individual captives who were fighting Europeans on the farms, on the plantations.
All over, in the Caribbean, the West Indies, Brazil, the Americas.
So
and Jamaica was the place to carry the rebellious ones, the fighters.
Exactly. They were taken there as a form of punishment. That is why up to now,
oh, damn.
They are not the easy type.
Wait, say that again? You said that's why
the Jamaicans up to today,
yes,
21st century,
yes,
they are not the easy type. They are very, very I don't know how to
aggressive.
Say it. They are aggressive. They are very aggressive.
Yo,
very
there's
hard.
so many chills running through my body right now that it's crazy. It's crazy.
And that is why they say, out of many, we are one.
Yeah, out of many, one people. That's our motto, yeah.
That's our motto, because they were picked from different places and brought to Jamaica.
I'm brought to Jamaica. Jamaica, man, I be a bad slavery over there, so we're not take no talk.
I'll give you some time to take photos.
Yes.
And I'll talk about it then in return.